Hello, I am Dr. Satinder Kaur, Senior Consultant and Clinical Lead Gynae Oncology, Dharamshila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi. Today we will be discussing about ovarian cancer. Ovaries are an important part of female reproductive organ. They are responsible for the production of female hormones estrogen and progesterone, which are responsible for the growth of female body and the production of eggs, which ultimately leads to pregnancy and conception. So they are very important for any female in their body. Ovarian cancer is very important to be discussed. Though it is much less common than cervical or breast cancer, still pay a lot of importance to it because it is a silent killer. It does not give time. It does not give at all time to the patients. The symptoms are very vague. They usually have just some abdominal discomfort, bloating sensation, and they would feel it like just gastritis. Some people keep on avoiding it and start taking antacids on their own. Others will go to a general physician or gastroenterologist who will give them symptomatic treatment. And by the time they reach gynae oncologist, it is often too late. 80% of the patients of ovarian cancer present in stage 3 with these same vague complaints, or when there is fullness in abdomen and their abdomen is full of fluid, which is called ascites in our terms, and because of which patient is not able to eat anything or has constant vomitings, which actually indicates an advanced stage, that is stage 3 or stage 4 for the patients. If presented early, ovarian cancer can be treated very nicely with surgery and has very good survival. Most of these patients may not even require chemotherapy. But as I said, 80% of the patients will present in advanced stage, stage 3 or stage 4, and will often need both chemotherapy and surgery. This disease is the only disease of gynae cancers which does not have very good prognosis. So early detection is the key. If you have minor symptoms, you must meet your doctor. It is very less common in young females. This cancer usually occurs in postmenopausal ladies, that is after you have stopped having your periods, and usually after the age of 60 years. But this is the time where the females neglect themselves the most. With minor symptoms, they do not go to the doctor. But that is the key. If you have minor problems, reach the doctor immediately. You must consult them so that there is an early diagnosis and you can be treated early. 10% of the ovarian cancers are genetic. So if you have any family member who has breast or ovarian cancer, you must meet the doctor and get your genetic screening done. So if there's something comes out to be positive, early measures for prevention of disease in you can be taken. Like you can undergo an ultrasound examination and a blood test called CA-125 every 6 monthly for early detection of the disease. However, the only clue is that you must report to the doctors early if you have any vague symptoms also, like abdominal discomfort, gastritis, constipation, nausea, vomiting. You must meet a proper oncologist early for an early diagnosis. Thank you.